Okay, good morning, my friends. Today is October 5th, 2023, and we are going on a call in Sag Harbor, New York. We have a 611 that's leaking water, and so I'll see you there. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is pull out the ice maker and see what's going on in there. Okay, so here I'm reattaching the ice maker so I can check the water flow. So I'm just plugging it in. Okay, so the water did not come out of the fill tube. It came out the back of the refrigerator. So now I'm shutting it down and turning it back on so I can recheck it. Okay, so here I'm going to recycle the ice maker and recheck it. That is not working. Yeah, boy. You gotta come out. Okay, so now I have to pull out the refrigerator and check the water inlet in the back of the freezer to see where the water's coming from. Okay, so you see, that's the little compression ring. There you go.
Before we do everything, you want me to turn that water back on?
Not yet. I got to hook up the water line. Okay. I got it disconnected over here.
because it was taut and I couldn't pull it out without.
Okay, so I'm hooking up a jumper wire to the water valve so I can just double check and make sure the water's going into the ice maker. This is a little tool I made up from some used parts. Just plug it into the wall and I see the water coming out, so I know it's flowing in. Okay, so here I'm just taking some of that insulation putty and using it to stick the screw on, because these stainless steel screws are not magnetic. That helps it hold it into the screwdriver and lets me position it and tighten up the screw. Okay, so here I'm running an ice maker through a cycle. Make sure the water comes into the ice maker cup so you don't have any leaks.
Or are you trying to get it all in one shot?